Hela, welcome to another vlog. This is Sunday, I couldn't do an intro yesterday, so I'm doing an intro now, But yeah, welcome to another vlog. We're going to the stadium to watch a soccer game live for the first time ever. I've went to a stadium and it was not full, so the experience was not like, it was not as fun as yesterday, but we're going to the stadium to watch Mamelodi Sundowns and Magis, the Carling Black Label final, So enjoy, Joe. Don't forget to subscribe, Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and mama, man, and how is? Sundowns? Are you a Sundowns fan?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Yes.
Super, you're a Sundowns fan?
Yes.
Super, what fan?
Can't support the Magis.
I what?
I know Dad is a Makesi fan.
Yeah?
I know Dad is a Makesi fan.
Well, me and Daddy.
Yeah.
Well,
Super, are you supporting Daddy's team?
yeah.
Okay.
You?
We are Sundowns. Bro.
Yes.
We are.
The very same side.
We in the bag and we bag in the T.I. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the dish. Oh yeah, I'm still saying
fast and you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe.
I'm tired. I'm having a slushy. I'm having pizza. Yeah, man, it was a great time. First time actually watching a soccer game live. So begumojo jo begumnandi lawe kubona John. Yeah, and actually getting to see these people, face to face, it's just like, oh my god, Joe, go hello, But yeah, begumnandi vethu. I have a headache actually, but I go. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I had a thingy. What's this thing? A good fit, but it went to waste, so cause. But I go much.
We hit the club and it's cops full of jealousy.